Open the page number 48. Let me read out. Our eyes tell a lot. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands. Even before they learn to speak, they understand a lot too. Our eyes tell a lot, When your mother gets angry, she'll have the big eyes. She will show her big eyes to you, right? And you might be scared of her. If you are doing any funny things, you'll stop right away. Yes? Okay. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands even before they learn to speak. Means if you observe the small children, if you have any siblings that is younger than you, they might be making the faces. If they are not speaking, right? If they are too young to speak, then they might be cry, or they might be making any kind of faces, right? So you can understand whether they are good in mood or they don't want to see you in such things. Okay, then they can even show you the hands to show you. Suppose they want to tell you something, then they cannot speak, right? So they maybe use their hands to tell you something. Okay, they understand a lot too. If you might have been observed, then whatever we will tell them or will explain, they will understand, of course. Now look at the picture. There's one boy and it seems might be a girl. Okay, if you'll observe it, then this boy seems it's so happy, and this girl, it looks like she is sad, right? The faces we observed and can see that whether they are happy, they are sad, or they are not in good mood. Okay, think and tell. Observe children of about 6 to 8 months. Okay, if you have younger brother or sister that is up to 1 year, then you can observe them. Okay, how do they express themselves? Means if they wants to tell us something, how do they tell? If I would tell you, then they might be cry. Sometimes if they they like something about us, then they will smile at us. Okay, if they don't want to see us, then they will use their hands to push us away. Okay, fine. You can observe and can give your answer to me. Read and draw. You must be wondering what kind of faces these are. They have no eyes, no nose, no mouth. Okay, you have to make these, but only after reading what is written alongside. Okay, in this picture, this is I already have drawn, but you have to do yourself. This is Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broken. He is sad. How will his face look? Means his toy is broken. Suppose if your toy is broken down, right? How your face will be? If it's a very favorite toy of yours, then the face might be like this. Okay, fine. Now see here. This is Julie. The girl it's shown, it's Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday and she's very excited. How will her face look? See, I've drawn for you. She is so happy and excited. Okay, you can see the shining eyes, right? The bright smile. So these are the faces that express their feelings without speaking. Okay, this is Rutva's mother. Today, while Rutva was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Draw the look on her mother's face. She might be angry or she might be sad. I have drawn a sad face. You can draw you can draw the angry face also, right? This is Rehana. She's afraid of dogs. While playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. How will Rehana's face look? She might be blank. Okay, उसको कुत्ते की इतनी इतना डर लगता है, तो might be she cannot think about, she gone totally blank. Okay, so I have drawn this kind of face. Even you can draw the scary face also, I mean the face which shows us that how scary she is. Okay, now turn the page. By looking at someone's face, we can tell if the person is happy, sad, or angry. Has it ever happened that you had done some mischief and your mother found out just by looking at your face? Okay. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप कुछ कर रहे हो, शैतानी हरकतें कर रहे हो, and your mother just found you. मतलब आप जब शैतानी हरकतें करते हो तब ऑब्वियसली आप छुप के करते हो, राइट? तो कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपकी मम्मा ने आपको देख लिया हो ऐसा करते हुए? हाउ वुड यू लुक योर फेस, राइट? यू जस्ट इमेजिन इट. वी कैन टॉक थ्रू डांस एज वेल. In dance, the hands and face are used to convey feelings. These are called mudras and bows. Okay, if you will see Kathak is totally, you might be tell that madam it's totally of music, but it's not only music. They shown the different mudras. I mean, I have shown you already this way, then this way. Okay, so these are the different mudras they used to express the bow. Okay, what they are going to say. I'll send you one video to observe it, different mudras. Okay, now think and tell. Look at this picture and guess. Make your own story. Tell your story to your friends. Okay, in this picture one squirrel is shown and a tree. Here we can see the squirrel is making something. The third one, again the process is going on, and the fourth one, so many birds and other creatures are gathered, right? So I want you make the story your own and send it to me. Okay, you must write in the book. It's okay, fine. Thank you.